Keep all your game, highs and lows, highs and lows. It's all the same, highs and lows, highs and lows.
I don't know if you can see, that's the condition of today's morning. It's raining continuously. Hi everyone, welcome to the second episode of my GYLT series. If you are just stumbling upon this video, you won't understand. You have to watch my previous episode to get into the flow of this video series. So yeah, today is the second episode. After I joined work, this is the first Monday that I'm feeling good about because I don't have work today. I got 3 consecutive offs: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday for Diwali. So this week is going to be super long for me, and I will be able to take some rest, of course, because I'm always up for a rest, good rest. Anyways, generally I start my Mondays with reading newspapers. I have my newspaper with me. I read Hindu because I like their style and the way they present all the stories and everything. It's very lucid and easy to understand. So Hindu is my go-to newspaper, and also it is very, very informative, especially the editorials for those of you who are preparing for current affairs like exams and all. So definitely you guys should refer to Hindu. Seriously, the weather outside is super cozy and it's getting cold out here, and I'm struggling to keep my eyes open. I don't know if you guys can understand by my looks. I feel so sleepy till now. I need a good cup of coffee. Anyways, I will have to start my day. I'm already running late. It's almost 10:45. Oh my god. I'll start my day with the regular routine that I follow. I will write my to-dos for the day. The first task after newspaper reading that I'll do is the PR study that I was supposed to do yesterday, but unfortunately I couldn't because I got super tired with everything. And the rest tasks are like my lecture. I have to edit this video also. If I keep this flow of editing the videos every single day, then it won't get delayed. And it happened yesterday also. Then I completed the whole process and then I slept. And also I slept late yesterday. I slept around 3. That's why I woke up late today. So let's start the day.
Keep all your game, highs and lows, highs and lows. It's all the same, highs and lows, highs and lows. Keep all your game, highs and lows, highs and lows. It's all the same, highs and lows, highs and lows. Your game, it's all the same. Your game, it's all the same. All your game, highs and lows, highs and lows. It's all the same, highs and lows, highs and lows. Keep all your game, highs and lows, highs and lows.
So now it's 5:16. I made myself a cup of coffee because I have to sit for some pre-recorded lectures now the whole day. I was so lazy. In the afternoon, after like having lunch, we went to Vishal Megamart. That you have already seen that, and also I got some cute stuffs which I will share in tomorrow's video, like a mini haul kind of. So, and now, without wasting any more time, I'm just gonna hop onto my lectures. That day I missed PR study. I have to, sit with the syllabus of my master's and my exam, the competitive exam that I will be giving after like few months. I took a nap of like 30-40 minutes, so I'm all set for a good study session. And one more thing, guys, happy Diwali to everyone out there, whoever is watching. It makes no sense because by the time this video gets up on my channel, everything will be over and there will be no festivals around. So, yeah, I mean, still, I'm wishing everyone because I'm recording this video in Diwali day. There is no plans as such. As you can see, the weather out is super, super good. We can't really make any plans, and like usual, I'm at home. I will be studying for a while, and yeah, that's it. So this is my unit 5 syllabus of PR, and that's my book. It is having the contents also. These are all the topics that I will have to cover, and I will be going through each and every topics and make a list, proper list, like how to approach this particular subject.
So safe as a lost, as a lost.
So I wore a kurti. So this
Finally,
is
just to
my
make this
last
rangoli,
moment impromptu
take a
rangoli.
picture of this
Though
cute
mom
rangoli
helped
that I
me
made.
to plan a bit, and these are the cute diyas that I got from Vishal today. I'll just I will just end this vlog right here. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching how my day looked like, and as like actually it feels incomplete if you don't light up any candles or diyas in the auspicious day of Diwali. So I kind of so we